Bless you, mama. What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are doing a Prime pickup. So I did buy some stuff on Amazon Prime Day, which was Monday and Tuesday. So you only had 2 days to pick up some cool, cheap shit, to be honest. So I got one box. I think I got another one coming maybe Friday or Saturday, but this is the soonest I can get this box. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's inside the box and how much I got it for, and I guess why I got it. Yeah, you do see the room set up behind me. I'm going to do maybe a quick glimpse of the room after this pickup. That way I can see what I'm up to and what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and get started with the box. Alright, so shopping at Amazon Prime Day, as you can see here. So you got your, I guess you got your labels to say Prime Day. I don't know if y'all can see it there. Prime Day. Prime Day. So let's go ahead and tear this box open. See what we have. Like I said, I only got a couple things delivered to me for today because I wanted to do a video because I haven't done a video in a long time, and I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all a quick tour of the room. Not a full tour, like explain everything, but I'm just gonna give you a glimpse of everything that's been going on so far, what I've done. Bubble wrap, or air packs, whatever you want to call them. First thing I got was the Corsair HS70, which usually retails for like 120 bucks, but I got a steal on Prime Day. It was on sale for like 60 something dollars, so I ended up getting it for like 70 bucks with tax. So there you go, HS70. I heard a lot of good things about this headset, so I said, let me give it a try. I have plenty of headsets. I have Lucid Sounds, I have Astro Gamings, I have Turtle Beaches, I have Steel Series, I have, what else, Rawcat. I have a bunch of headsets that I'm not currently using. I have Razer headsets that I'm using right now, the Threshers, and those are pretty good, comfortable. I like the sound quality. So I heard a lot of good stuff about this one. You can hook it up to your PS4, I think your Xbox, your PC of course, and you know, you can see it here. You can see HS70 Corsair, you know. Good deal, not bad for a headset, especially if you're tight budget and you're trying to get yourself a good headset. So I might do an unboxing video, I might do a review, who knows, but this is one of the things that I did pick up for Amazon Prime Day. So let's move on to the last and final piece, or the second piece, because to be honest, there's probably like 4 more pieces that I haven't gotten. The next thing on the box is the Audio-Technica AT2020 XLR microphone. So it's a Cardio ID condenser mic. As you can see here, this one's pretty popular with the streamers, with the YouTubers like me. But although I don't use Audio-Technica for my mic, I kind of go the more expensive route, the Shure microphone. I don't know if you can see here, Shure. So this is the mic I currently use, and of course I got the Rode Pro mic, shotgun mic. But the only reason I got this mic because I want to do different type of videos. So it's an XLR mic. It has good audio, so I'm gonna do some testing, check some stuff out, and see how the audio works. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Let me see and open this box, see what you all get in the box. So as you see here, this is what you get. You get the mic in a bag, like a custom bag. So there's a mic here, and then you get the bag with all the little accessories and stuff that comes with it. So that's pretty much it what I picked up for Prime, or actually I had Prime delivered to me for today. So this was actually free delivery for today, and I think the rest is free delivery tomorrow and Friday. So that's pretty much it, those 2 things, the AT2020 and the Corsair HS70. So this one retailed for 100 bucks or 120 as well, and I got this one for like 75 bucks. This was a Prime Day deal, and I jumped on it. I actually was going to pick this up maybe like a couple weeks ago, but I was like, no, Prime Day's coming up, so let me see if this is cheap. So there you have it, Corsair headset and an XLR microphone. So yeah, I might do an unboxing video, check it out, test it out, who knows, maybe do a review here and there. I'm not going to compare this with my Shure mic because Shure mic is probably if I had to recommend a microphone to a streamer, YouTuber to do videos, this is probably my go-to mic here. I did majority of my videos with this mic, and then I started buying other microphones and started mixing up the audio and stuff. So yeah, I like to play with the audio, I like to play with the visuals, video as well. That's why I have different cameras. So, you know, headsets as well. I'm always open to try new headsets. I think the next headset that I'm going to get is the Victrix Pro. I tried it out and it was pretty good. Alright, for starters, I got my streaming PC, which is right there. I got a 65-inch 4K curved LED HDR high dynamic range Samsung. Although that TV is going to get moved to another room. And then here I have my editing PC. I have the quad ultra wide monitors, and I'm kind of losing focus because I got my baby girl with me down here. Let me show ya my little munchkin, my little princess. Where you at? Hey, Orchid, Orchid, Orchid. Look at the camera. Look, you're on video. Here, look. So I'm moving the camera, and there goes my little princess. She's playing with the cords. So yeah. But anyways, moving on. The quad monitor system, LG ultra wides curved. So the top two are controlled by that PC, the blue one, and the bottom two are controlled by the green PC. Of course, that's the picture wall art of my son that he did when he was, I think, 3 years old. So I'm definitely keeping that on the wall. Up here, I haven't painted the wall yet, so don't mind the wall. That's going to be next. I have my 4K BenQ high dynamic range HDR, pretty much everything projector. This thing is awesome. I really love it. Of course, you see in my Shure mic, you got some PC boxes, the Cougar Conquer. Oh, let me move my finger. Cougar Conquer, the Panzer. I got some more shit over there. I got a small collection of shoes there. A lot of cool shoes. That's not all the shoes that I have. I actually have a whole ton more shoes. There goes my projector screen. Sorry, I'm kind of like moving everything around. Carpet, but I'm going to upgrade that carpet. That carpet's kind of small. There goes the bottom panel of the OLED. I'm probably speaking too close to the mic, of course. And there goes my lift up desk. And let's continue on. And here do I have the Cosmos P7, sorry, Transformers. Let me zoom into the Transformers. Now, if any of y'all can name all those, I'll give y'all $100 to the first person. Of course, there goes my wall. Oh, pop something. There goes the PC. My Louis Vuitton, Supreme backpacks, door. I still gotta put trim, do more paint. That's where I'm gonna be building my PC. Dang it. It's kind of hard controlling all this. Here is the Dragon Ball wall with the OLED. I ended up mounting the OLED, 60-inch OLED up there. So you have Super Saiyan Blue Goku, Vegeta, Super Saiyan regular Goku, Bardock. You have Super Saiyan Rose, Goku Black. You got Vegito Blue, and then you got your Ultra Instinct. And that is the OLED mounted to the top. I did put some acoustic panels in the back because, I don't know, for some reason the sound in here is kind of echoey. And don't mind with the noise. It's my daughter, my 1-year-old daughter. There, I have the, I don't know if you can see right there, this little section. That's the little family wall where I'm going to be posting all of our pictures, photos, pretty much everything with my kids. And back to square one. Oh, gotta turn back all the way around. Let me turn all the way around, all the way around. Oh, carpet. Oh man, I'm losing everything. Jesus. Alright, and we're back. So that's pretty much it. That's all my room. I'm still working on it. I still gotta paint. I still gotta do a bunch of stuff. So hopefully I will have this room. I don't know. What is she doing? Oh no, she's chewing on my mic. Orchid, what are you doing? No, thank you. Anyways, she's playing with my mic and she's like, I didn't do it, I promise. Oh, that's the little streaming setup right there. I don't know if you can see it pretty good. Those two monitors are Acer Predators gaming monitors. And of course, you know, parts that I gotta build. Yeah, there's quite a few things that I gotta do. So that's pretty much the room setup. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the video. I will probably upload the next video on Friday or Saturday. But anyways, thank you guys and gals for watching. Like I said, Friday and Saturday, expect the next video. I don't know if it's gonna be gameplay. I don't know if it's gonna be an unboxing, reviews, or something. I don't know, I'm just changing shit up on the channel, so I do as I go. So like I said, I don't have time to do YouTube anymore. I've been so busy with work, especially that I'm dealing with a whole bunch of stuff, and I got other shit to do too. So like I said, YouTube's a hobby. Hopefully I can do this full time one day, someday. And oh, baby girl, what are you doing? Anyways, thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.